Hi, this is Lego Boy, and today I'll be showing you how to make a jet ski. Right, so what the parts that you will need are, wait, let me just get them. Take that 1 minute, not even that. Just taking this apart just to show you. Right, so the parts that you will need are 2 of these, any colour you want. You can get these from your local Tesco's or anything. So yeah, you need 2 of them. Where's the other? You'll need 2 of these. They're like, these will be using as like the jets things. You need a border. One of these. A handle. And one of these. But make sure that the thing opens upwards, not sideways, because that would completely ruin your design. And for the actual bow itself, you will need one of them, and then finally one of these. So what you start off by doing is you get your this thing, and what you do is you place this right on there, so that there'll be that hanging off the back, and then obviously you would stick that or clip that on, so that you have that. And then what you would do is so you don't place this on like this. Sorry, you don't place it on like that. You place it on just one down, so about here, so that you leave a spot up top, and then you make your handle. So by getting this and your handle, and then you just clip them on together. And this here, this thing, you clip this onto it, right, and then back onto the boat. You get both of these things, and you clip them on to your actual boat, just like that. Then you do the same to the other side. Then it would look like this. And then you get your handle and place it on there to make that. And then finally you will have to place these two things, these, these are the final things. You place them onto the back, just like this. So, and then you go on to the other side, you do the exact same. So make sure the big bit faces off the boat. So your finish will turn out like that. And if you get a minifigure, I'm going to use a stormtrooper. If you get a minifigure, they will go onto the boat perfectly. Thanks for watching Lego Boy. I'll be putting more videos on how to make like some minifigures. So yeah, so see you next time on Lego Boy.